In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Confluence. This straightforward process will help you organize your content efficiently and keep your team on the same page. Whether you're new to Confluence or just looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through the steps you need with ease and clarity. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Confluence homepage. This is the starting point for managing all your Confluence spaces and projects. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This will make navigating easier and allow you to find what you need more quickly in the future. The next step is to choose your workspace. Workspaces are the different areas where your teams can collaborate on various projects or themes. It's crucial to select the right workspace to ensure your content is stored in the correct location. You can typically locate your workspaces on the left-hand side of the screen. If you have multiple options, think about where you want your new folder to reside before proceeding. Now that you've selected your workspace, it's time to create your folder. Look for the Create button within the workspace content area. This is usually located near the top of your screen. Clicking on Create will present you with various options, and finding Folder shouldn't be far behind. This is how Confluence allows you to segregate and structure your content, much like organizing documents into folders on your desktop. Once you've clicked on Folder, you'll need to give your new folder a name. Be thoughtful about this step, because a clear, descriptive name will help you and your team easily identify the folder's purpose in the future. After you've typed in the desired name, simply press Enter to set it in place. And there you have it. You've successfully created a folder in Confluence, making your content more organized and accessible. Remember, these steps are repeatable, so you can create as many folders as you need. This functionality not only keeps things tidy, but also enhances your overall productivity. For those of you managing multiple projects or collaborating across teams, these folders can become the backbone of your organizational strategy. They allow you to categorize and subgroup documents, which can significantly improve your workflow. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful in mastering the basics of organizing content in Confluence. Whether you're setting up a new project or just trying to keep your workspace tidy, using folders effectively can be a game changer. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring Confluence to its fullest potential.